let's go there, Malcolm, because ServiceNow is pacing for its 6th straight down day. It hit a 52-week low yesterday. Joe owns the name. Maybe he's speaking directly about a stock that Malcolm just bought more of. Are you catching a falling knife? What's the deal here? Let's debate this.
Apparently so. I'm willing to go out on a limb and say this one's probably reached peak pessimism. I think the ServiceNow, it's down, 40%, I think, from its 1 year. Over the last year, it's also notched a new 52-week low. I think that this one probably starts to separate itself from the rest of the pack for a couple of reasons. One, the moat around it is that a lot of CTOs and CISOs are not going to be willing to introduce new AI startups that are supposedly going to disrupt the data space with these different companies that they've been building out in Silicon Valley the last couple of years. And then separately from that, ServiceNow has been questionable as relates to their valuation for a couple of years. It's the reason a lot of folks didn't want to touch it. But their earnings are growing, their free cash flow is growing, which means it's probably growing into its valuation and starting to look more attractive from a technical basis too. So to me, this looks like a great place to be building a position in this name.
Okay. What do you think about? By the way, I think it was Adam Parker yesterday on Closing Bell. We had this conversation about software and semis that on both ends of that spectrum, and maybe we can show it as we usually do with the SMH versus the IGV, chips versus software, the divergence that's happened, that it's starting to look a little extreme on both ends.
Oh, it's been extreme for the better part of the last 60 days.
Well, at some point, isn't that going to reverse?
But there's a very clear trade that is going on right now in the hedge fund community, and it's a negative correlation trade, and they're pressing the gas pedal on it and the direction towards semis. I don't disagree with anything that Malcolm's saying. He's looking at it from a fundamental perspective, and I think over the long term, Bill McDermott and the management team at ServiceNow, they will execute, they will recover. Their balance sheet is in great shape, agreed. Their revenue's growing at a rate that we look at as very appealing.
But it's 10x revenues in the last 10
absolutely,
years.
But you're looking at it through a lens that Steve is looking at me, and he knows. I just look at it through a different lens. I'm looking at it through the lens of momentum. And sometimes momentum may be a lagging indicator, but we'll probably in this name at some point step to the sidelines, and when the momentum reappears once again, it without question is one of the quality software names that you could own for sure.
You know, there was an article, I think it was in the Journal, that talked about how people with absolutely no training in coding are now able to build through AI their own software applications to be able to code.
Like vibe coding and all that
so that's going to
But if you're the CTO of a Fortune 500 company, are you going to stake your entire career on that?
Well, I will tell you that the investment banks are, that they're building their own software applications, and I will tell you that lots of other companies are as well, where they're building their own software.
Look, not all software companies are going to be
and
losers.
That's true. No. But let me say this about Bravo. Orlando Bravo, brilliant firm, Tom Bravo. But if you go to their website, it says the world's largest software investment firm. So they've got a bias. It's a natural bias, but I would say be careful of what you hear from people saying now's the time. Now, I think selectively
they also do quite well. Like,
it's a great firm. It's a great firm.
You could say the same thing as Vista Equity Group with Robert Smith. I mean, they're the two premier players within that space. Right. By the way, the great majority of software companies are private companies to begin with. If you look at the larger space anyway.
That's true basically every industry.
But they've been geniuses at identifying where the real value is within disrupted parts of that universe.
And I'm not being negative on them. You know, I respect them. We don't typically invest in large funds, but I've looked at some of their co-investment deals. I know the firm very well. They are excellent at what they do. All I'm saying is that take it with a grain of salt what they're saying. Now, we heard the same conversation a year ago. Now's the time to buy software because it was under pressure then. I'm not saying it's not, but I don't think you buy the whole group. I'm more in the Brad
no one's
Gerstner.
suggesting that you buy the whole group.
I'm in the Brad
Cybersecurity to me will bottom first.
Except, you know, I'm sticking with Microsoft. It's been a mistake for a year. It's done nothing. It's down. I'm sticking with it because it's still the operating system for most of the world's computers.